I bought this 2-pack of refillable 1-pound propane canisters off of Amazon, and this is what they look like as a 2-pack. Let me go ahead and open this up and we'll look at these individually. So when you get these, and like this one I said was a 2-pack and I took it out of the plastic, when you get them, you're going to have this like screw-on lid here. There's going to be some tape up here, and you're going to have a little Allen key that it comes with. So if you take this lid off, a lot of people will go and buy the little brass lids that go on here that have the little rubber, gasket in there. I mean, those are nice too, but I like these because then you can, stack them, or you can even set them upside down if you needed to. It's just got like a nice plastic, lid on it instead of just the little cheap little plastic sleeve that goes over. Another key thing is there's going to be a date stamped on these. These, since they're refillable propane tanks, they fall with all of the same, legal requirements that you would with the bigger propane tanks. So like in the US, I think it's 10 or 12 years. Once this is out, it has to be recertified, or you just buy another set. But there's a date on it for a reason. You can only have these filled up for so long, 10, 12 years, something like that. Then this Allen key that's here, it has a little spot right here on the fill area or the nozzle. This Allen key will go in there, and when you turn this, that actually allows air to escape into these little holes here. Actually, it's just one. I thought there was a hole on this side. There's just one hole here. And basically what that's going to allow you to do is, as you're filling this with propane, if there's going to be air that's in here already, so when you're filling it, if you want to get more liquid propane into this, you have to open this a little bit and let the air out. You do not want liquid propane. So as soon as, if you see any little liquid propane come out, you want to close it and stop filling it. It's full. But this allows you to let the air out as it's filling, so that way you can get more in it and fill these up. And that's about it. I mean, they're pretty straightforward and basic. You do have to have the adapter hose that goes from like a bigger tank to this, unless you know a place that's actually filling these small containers. I'm not sure if, propane places will fill these small containers for you. You may just have to fill the 20-pounders and then use that to fill these. But that's what I'm going to be doing anyway. We have a bunch of 20-pound canisters, and I'm going to be filling these off of that. I like the fact that it's got the metal base too. The ones that are disposable come with like a plastic base. Half time it falls off. And overall, looks like it's made pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. And if this is what you're looking for, I think you will be too. And I hope this review is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.